What are the best ways to unfreeze pipes quickly?
Hello and welcome to this informative guide. Today, we're tackling a common problem that many homeowners face in the winter: frozen pipes. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the best ways to unfreeze your pipes quickly, effectively, and safely.
Why do pipes freeze?
Before diving into the solutions, it's important to understand why pipes freeze. Pipes, particularly those exposed to outer walls or in unheated spaces, can freeze when the temperature drops below freezing point. When water inside these pipes freezes, it expands, potentially causing the pipes to burst and leading to costly repairs.
How do I know if my pipes are frozen?
There are a few telltale signs that you might have a frozen pipe. These include: 1. Unusual noises when you turn on a faucet. 2. Only a trickle or no water coming out of the faucet. 3. Frost on visible pipes.
How to unfreeze pipes quickly?
Let's dive into the meat of the matter: how to unfreeze your pipes. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Open the faucet. The first step is to open the faucet that the pipe feeds into. This allows water to flow and will help to melt the ice blockage when it starts to thaw. 2. Locate the frozen pipe. Check your home for areas where pipes run in unheated spaces and look for frost or ice on the pipes. 3. Apply heat. Once you've located the frozen pipe, apply heat to the area. This can be done using a hairdryer, heat lamp, or portable space heater. Never use open flame devices. 4. Start from the faucet end. When applying heat, always start near the faucet, then work your way down to the blockage. This helps ensure steam can escape and reduces the risk of your pipe bursting. 5. Check other faucets. After you've thawed the pipe, check other faucets in your home to make sure there are no other frozen pipes.
How can I prevent my pipes from freezing?
Prevention is always better than cure. Here are a few tips. Insulate your pipes. Use foam pipe insulation on pipes that are in unheated areas. Keep your house warm. Try to keep your house heated above 55 degrees Fahrenheit, even when you're not at home. Let your faucets drip. A little bit of running water can prevent pipes from freezing. And that's how to unfreeze your pipes quickly. Remember, the key is to act promptly to prevent any potential damage. If you're ever unsure, don't hesitate to call a professional. Stay warm, stay safe, and see you in the next video.